class we saw that example 1.27. I repeat this one more time. So if you want to find the square root of the number, so we take periods, means 2 decimals from right to left. Okay, these 2 decimals are called periods. Okay, so based on these, so first we take 45 which 45 nearest square number is 6, 36 remaining 9. So next get down 96 here. So next 96 996. So inge 2 ala malli pannrom, 6 2s are 12. So inge 7 introduce pannrom, so 889. So again what number we introduce here? 7. So 7 so 12 already is there. 7 2 ala malli pannrom, 7 2s are 14. So inge 1 decimal, so 4 3 1 134 put it last. Next see, 1 digit of number is 4. So in a square table there is a 2 chance to get 1 digit number is 4, that is 2 square. 1 digit must be 2 square or 8 square. So I put 8 here, so we get the answer. Remainder is 0. Therefore the required square root of 4,59,684 equal to 678. Okay, so this is our last class la paathom. So next, number of digits in the square root of a perfect square numbers. So number of digit of a square root, நம்ம ஸ்கொயர் ரூட்டில் எவ்வளோ டிஜிட் வரும்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஒரு பர்ஃபெக்ட் ஸ்கொயர் நம்பருக்கு ஸ்கொயர் ரூட் எடுக்கும்போது எத்தனை டிஜிட் ஆன்சர் வரும்னு சொல்லிட்டு முன்னாடி எப்படி வித் யூஸ் ஆஃப் பீரியட்ஸ் எப்படி சொல்லலான்னு பார்க்கலாம். ஸோ சி இயர் ரூட் ஆஃப் 169 is 13 because 13 square is root 169. 169க்கு 169 so periods இருக்கும்போது 2 1, so there is a 2 bars. So the answer is 13, 2 digit number. So number of bar is 2, so number of digit in the square root is 2. So எவ்வளோ பார் வருதோ அவ்வளோ ஸ்கொயர் ரூட் நம்பர் வரும். ஸோ 441 ஸ்கொயர் ரூட் ஆஃப் 441, the bar number of bar is 2 and the square root of digit is 2. Okay, so next root of 12,524. So 12,524, so is there is a 5 number. So we take 2 periods. So we put bar 44, 25 and 1. There is a 3 number of bars. So therefore number of digit in the square root is 3. So here answer is 112. Okay. Next, similarly, see here the number of bar is equal to the number of digit in the square root. ஸோ இங்கே ஆன்சருக்கு நம்மளுக்கு எந்த பர்ஃபெக்ட் ஸ்கொயர் நம்பருக்கு எவ்வளோ பார்ஸ் வருமோ ஸோ அவ்வளோ ஸ்கொயர் ரூட் நம்பர் வரும். 2 பார்ஸ் வந்தால் ஸ்கொயர் நம்பர் டிஜிட்டும் 2 இருக்கும். நம்பர் ஆஃப் டிஜிட் இன் ஸ்கொயர் ரூட் ஆல்சோ 2. ஸோ இஃப் 3 we get 3 bars, so the number of square digit also 3. Okay, so this is an important result. And next, square root of decimal numbers. Square root of decimal numbers எப்படி ஃபைண்ட் பண்ணலான்னு பார்க்கலாம். ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஸ்டெப் டு ஃபைண்ட் ஸ்கொயர் ரூட் ஆஃப் 42.25. ஸோ நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும்னா டெசிமல்ஸ் மேக் ஈவன் நம்பர். ஸோ ஃபஸ்ட்டு வந்து ஈவன் நம்பர் ஆஃப் டெசிமல்ஸ் பண்ணோம். சப்போஸ் ஆட் நம்பர் ஆஃப் டெசிமல்ஸ் இருந்தால் we add 0. சப்போஸ் 42.253 இருந்துச்சுன்னா ஸோ we add extra 0. Then we make 4 digit. So this is a even. So if not even, we include 0. Okay. So extra second step, the number has been an integral part and decimal part. The integral part, the mark was done in the case of division method to find the square root of fx square number. So integral part means after decimal and before decimal we separate the two bars, we put the bars. Okay, that's the integral parts. Two parts is there, so that's called integral parts. Okay, so now calculate the square root of long division method, normal method, okay, decimal mark method. So next important results. These results are very important, so maybe asked in 1 mark also. These results are very important. This should come in 1 marks also. Okay, so root of a into b can written as root a into root b. Root a into root b. Okay, root a by b also written as root a by root b. Okay, these are the important results. Based on the results we are going to see one sum. Okay, let's see example 1.28. Example 1.28. Find the value of square root of 256. Here we not use long division method or prime factor method. So here we use that for result root a into root b equal to root a into root b. So இங்க என்ன பண்ணலாம்னா root 56 is root 256 is square root of 16 into 16. We can write as 16 into 16. So this is in the form of root of a into root a b. So we can written as root a root 16 into root b root 16. We know that root 16 value is 4 and another root 16 value is 4. Therefore 4 4s are 16. Okay, so here we used this result. Okay, square root of product of numbers. This is product rule. So product of numbers, root of a into b you can write it as root a into root b. There is another method to find the square root of 256 is root of 256 can written as 64 into 4. So we can use that result root 64 into root 4 with the formula root a into b equal to root 64 into root 4. So root 64 value we know that 8 8s are 64, 8 8s are 64. Here 2 2s are 4. So 8 2s are 16. We get the same value. Okay, otherwise we know that 16 16s are 256. You know that directly you put the answer root 256 equal to root 256 equal to 16. Okay, it's a very easy one. And next the table is there, you can try the table. Okay, next root a by b equal to root a by root b. Okay, root a by b equal to root a root b. Okay, find the value of, so and the examples and the decimals for the same sum they given here. So find the value of root of 42.25. So we can written as root 42.25. That is a 2 decimals. So we can use divided by 100. Okay, number of decimals. So first you write the number without decimal 4225 divided by, we put 1 here. So then how many decimal is there? 2 decimal only, 25. So I put 2 zeros here. Okay, so now we find out the square root of 4225 and we know that square root of 100 is 10. So first we find out the square root of 4225. So here they are not given how to find square root of 4225. Okay, listen. 4225. So 2 periods. So there is a 2 bar, the answer also 2. So here what will come first? 42. Nearest to 42 in square table is 6 6 are 36. 6 6 are 36. Okay, remaining 6. We get 25 here, then 625 we should multiply by 2. So this number, so multiply by 2. So 6 2s are 12. So 12 here 5 is there. So one digit number is 5, then the square root also 5. So I use here 5. Okay, 5 5s are 25, balance 2. 5 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 2, 2, 5 1s are 5, 5 plus 1, 6. So remaining is 0. So therefore square root of 4225 value is 65. So 65 here we use this quotient rule, root a by b, root a by b equal to root a by root b. So this value is, square root of that value is 65 and square root of 100 is 10. Okay. So 65 by 10 is, 10 is 1 decimal, 1 0 is there in denominator. So 1 point decimal, 6.5 is the answer. Okay. I repeat. Find the value of root of 42.25. So the given number in decimal form, so we make it a non-decimal term. So that's why we divide by 100 here. So how many decimal is there? 2 decimal. So divide by 1. After that, how many decimal is there? 2 decimal. Then we put 2 zeros. Okay. So next here I use quotient rule. Root a by b equal to root a by root b. Okay, quotient rule. So after that, we want to find the square root of 4225. So next we know that square root of 100 is 10. Okay. So let's see how to find the square root of 4225. So we PVX, 2 PVX, that is 2 pair of numbers. So in 42, closest just near number is 36 in square table. So 36, I put 36, sorry, 36 means we put 6 here. Okay, 6 6 are 36. So remaining is 6. So we get down 25 here. So here we multiply by 2. 6 2s are 12. So last number, one digit number is 5. There is no option, only one number is 5. So 5 5s are 25, balance 2. 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 2, 10 plus 2, 12, 12, balance 1. 5 1s are 5, 5 plus 1, 6. So remainder is 0. So square root of square root of 4225 value is 65. So square root of 10, 100 value is 10. So 65 by 10 is 6.5. So this is the answer. Example 1.30. Simplify first Roman root 12 into root 3 and second Roman root 98 by 162. Okay. So in this sum, we are using these two formulas, these two results. Already we know that root a into b equal to root a into root b. So here we use reverse, root a into root b equal to root ab. So in the formula use panna porom. Next, similarly, root of a by b equal to root a by root b. Okay, in the formulas use panni sum solve pannalam. So first one, root 12 into root 3 equal to root 12 into root 3 equal to root of 12 into 3. So here root a into root b equal to root of a into b. In the formula use பண்ணிருக்கோம். So root 12 into root 3 equal to root of 12 into 3. Root 12 3s are 36. So we know that square root of 36 is 6 square. Square root will cancel. 6 will come. So therefore the answer is 6 for the first Roman. Okay, next this is the first Roman and next second Roman. So second Roman, we use root of a by b equal to root a by root b formula. So root of 98 by 162. So here we use simplifying with use second table. 49 twos are 98 and 81 twos are 62. So we can write directly root of 49 by 81. Okay, here we use simplifying with use table, second table. So 49 by 81. Hereafter we will not simplify that rational number. So there is no common divider for 49 and 81. So root 49 can be written as root 7 square by root 9 square. So both square root cancel. So 7 by 9. Okay. So I repeat this sum. So root of 98 by 162. First we using simplifying with using second table. 49 twos are 98. 2 81s are 162. So 49 by root 81. So we can write 49 as 70 square and 81 as 9 square. So 9 square is 9. Square root of 9 square is 9. Square root of 7 square is 7. So the answer is 7 by 9. Okay, this is the required answer. Okay, next.